young. But at what age do we begin to feel an attraction to the opposite sex? One psychologist says practically from the very beginning. Ashley Anderson has a Valentine's Day edition of Instructions Not Included.
Girls rule, boys drool. That's the stage these children will soon grow into. But even now, as they claim their territory, there's evidence of preschool puppy love. But even at this age, there are rules to follow.
You can play with each other and you can hug, but you can't kiss or marry only when you grow up, because then you can get germs or by marrying it's against the law to marry when you're smaller. You'll just have to play with them and stuff. And don't just kiss them because that gets germs on somebody else. Sometimes he'll be, like, shy, but he's still handsome as he can be. If you hurt their feelings, you'll just have to say sorry to them. And you'll just have to apologize.
You ever hug Brendan?
And kiss him.
You do? What does he do when you kiss him?
He won't let me hardly. Sometimes I have to even chase him.
When kids are this young and they start talking about puppy love, what's a parent to do? Do you acknowledge it or do you just ignore it?
Oh, definitely acknowledge it. Try to invite the little boy or girl to talk about their feelings. That's actually a healthy part of life, a normal development.
Palmer says even little kids will feel rejection, so it's important to let the child express themselves and let them know that you acknowledge their feelings. And if your child is the one doing the dumping, it can give them a false sense of superiority, which could lead to bullying or clique behavior in the future. Try to convince them to be inclusive, even if no boys are allowed.
Girls do nothing!
Or girls do nothing. Ashley Anderson, WSFA News 12, Montgomery.
Most of the time, children will outgrow their diminutive crushes and enter a period where they don't like children of the opposite sex. This, too, is a normal stage.
Well, it seems our children are always